Welcome to the show. We've got kind of a, I'll call it a quick channel update today. It's been a little while since I uploaded. Thought I would try to keep you guys posted. There will be a couple of temporary changes over the next few weeks here. My wife is starting a new job, which it's actually going to help, hopefully help with my ability to really do more work with the channel and hopefully get back to a little bit more regular schedule of uploads. But over the next about 3 to 4 weeks, my uploads are gonna be maybe a little bit hit and miss. Let me back up a step and just say, for those of you who are regular viewers of the channel, this video probably is more intended for you, but any newcomers, by all means, welcome to the channel. Have a look around. I've got, I think something over 100 videos so far on DIY and blacksmithing and knife making and a variety of different projects. And as you can see, I'm rolling in some of those other videos right now. But anyway, back to the point here. I just wanted to update everybody, and for those of you who may be wondering why things have been a little bit more hit and miss, I haven't been regularly uploading, although I do try to get something up each week. I do hope to return to a much more vigorous schedule here soon. I actually have many more projects in store, and there are a couple of things waiting in the queue. For one, I have a build video that I'm really anxious to get out there. It's a little bit different than some of the ones I've been doing, but I think you're going to like it. But before then, we'll actually have Subscriber Builds 9. Hopefully, I'll be done with the editing of that either tonight or tomorrow, and I would look for that probably right around Tuesday of this week, so a couple of days from now. But like I said, I will continue uploading, but I might not be able to get more than 1 or 2 videos up per week as my wife is training for this new job. Hopefully after that, like August and beyond, I will hopefully have a lot more time to do projects and to get things uploaded. So bear with me. I hope you enjoy the content over the next few weeks, but again, it might be a little bit sparse as I will be spending more time focused on parenting duties and some of the other duties around the FargoFX compound here. So thanks for tuning in. Hope you enjoyed the update, and in the next 2 or 3 days here, look for Subscriber Builds 9. Thanks for watching. Whoever you are, whatever you're doing, have a wonderful day, and we'll see you in the next video.